Makey Makey Dinosaur Dance. Using cooperation, collaboration and constructivism to develop a high-quality learning experience between 3 participants, to make a musical piece with Scratch software and Makey Makey kit. This element we felt was shown with through the teacher-led demo and instruction. Use of assistance of each other to work out the process of using the Makey Makey Scratch program. Input came from the teacher. Collaboration was shown when each participant developed sounds to go with the objects and input into the Scratch software. Constructionist was the real-world experience where we learned by doing, using various objects to construct our piece. The activity was the 2 students and 1 teacher working together, showing cooperation and collaboration. The learning came from working out, making mistakes, problem solving, to come up with the final musical piece. Thank you.